Hi guys, it's Long here again. Today I'm going to talk about the 2019 Altima SR, and two things I'm going to focus on are the first thing, I'm going to talk about some of the safety features highlighted here. The second thing is I'm going to give you some updates about the January, which is this month, discount, which include the Nissan rebates and also a dealer discount. Alright, now let's talk about some of the features, safety features here. This 2019 SR, Altima SR, does come with a premium package, which included the heated front seats, heated outside mirrors, LED turn signal indicators, a single panel moonroof. It's got the blind spot warning systems, blind spot sensor, and it's got the electronic stability control, as well as the intelligent forward collision warning systems with rear cross traffic alert. Now this car does come with the MSRP price of $27,975. With our Cooper price, you can get it for $26,000. And of course, if you are financed through Nissan, you're gonna get $500 plus $1,500 as a customer cash. So that is a huge discount going on for this month in January. If you are in the market for a 2019 Altima SR, this is a good opportunity to get it. And so, who you should contact? Of course, you can contact me. I'd be more than happy to help with any questions or concerns you have. And that's my phone number you see on this screen. Take care.